Hey, this is Tony Casio. Today we're going to do the Wing Chun Butterfly Knife, Section 6. So the last time what we did Section 5, and I think we left off Section 5, right? Yeah, we did. So let's start up Section 6. So just go over all the first 5 forms. First form is chop chop, chop chop. Okay? Chop chop, chop chop. Second form, left thrust, right thrust. Get it? Left thrust, right thrust. Get it? So third form is quad sao, quad sao, quad sao, quad sao. Get it? Fourth form is quad sao, quad sao. This. Actually, no. Quad sao, quad sao, quad sao, quad sao. This, and down. Okay? Fifth form is this. Turn to the side. Quad sao, quad sao, quad sao, quad sao. Yeah. Okay? Sixth form is left thrust at the same time, down thrust, then to the right side, right thrust, down towards the bottom, then here we're going to do this, and down. Get it? Do it again. Thrust at the same time, to the side, down to the side too, to the right side, and down to the side too. Then in the middle, this. Finish like this, okay? One more time. Same time, the bottom, the right side, thrust, down thrust, then the front, here, then finish. Okay? Like, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. See you next.